Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a borderless shape in your presentations on Microsoft Whiteboard. So let us get started. So as you can see guys, we're on that untitled whiteboard presentation of mine here in the web app of Microsoft Whiteboard, and I have added 3 different shapes to that presentation. 2 star icons like these here, for example, without any borders, as you can see, but also a circle like that with a colored border. So let me show you how you can create a borderless shape like this. It is actually simple. Click into add shape or line here at the bottom from that menu and select your preferred shape. Let me go for triangle. Click into it, and after that left click and hold your left mouse to draw your shape. You may also press left shift to stabilize it, just like that, to have a clean triangle like this. So on default guys, as you can see, there will be a border. So if you'd like to get rid of that border, you can't go with, or it's not possible to select a transparent border, but the only way how you can do this guys is to make sure that the fill color and the border color have basically the same color. So you may customize these colors here at the top, the shape border color picker and the shape color picker. So what you want to do is simply click into it and select the same color, which in this case here would be gray. And that is going to technically at least remove the color. It's not always possible guys, because as you can see there are different colors for the border as well as for the fill, but that's basically it. The other, or the only alternative guys, would be to simply insert a shape without any borders as an image by clicking into these 3 dots here and by selecting images, for example sourced from, I don't know, Adobe, Illustrator or Canvas or Photoshop, anywhere you have them created. So simply add them to your canvas here, to your presentation, and that should do it. But if you'd like to use the built-in features, the only way how you can do is do the method I just showed you with these colors. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.